APORIA 7PIN 3-pack. APORIA is passionate about creating the best magnetic charging cables tips and storage package that saves your time, money, and effort. Carefully studied, we came up with this APORIA 7PIN 3-pack with one of the best combinations available: 1 6.6 feet, 2M, black, 2 3.3 feet, 1M, cables in red and blue, 3 sets of tips including micro and Type-C, a desk stick storage, a red bullet storage and a storage bag for cables and magnetic charging cable accessories. 360 degrees rotation head plus magnetic tip storage. The 7-pin cable head rotates 360 degrees and works with APORIA's upgraded 2021 version magnetic charging tips ends adapters, 4 golden rings on the back. Desk stick is to store magnetic tips inside as well as to organize cables on your desk. Red bullet has a short lanyard attached already so you can immediately use it, carrying attached to your keychain, purse or backpack. Fast charging plus data transfer (sync). APORIA magnetic charging cable's 7-pin tips are compatible with most of devices with USB-A charging port. The 7-pin set allow the fast charging as well as data transfer and sync. You will also need a fast charging enabled device as well as wall plug that supports 5 volts, QC 3.0A instead of 2.4A regular wall plug. Compatibility. The benefits of using this magnetic charging cable is that it is widely compatible with almost all mobile phones, tablets, game players, and other devices. Perfect when you are traveling or want to go light with your backpack. Effortless charging by APORIA. Great gift item for your loved one. Let them also explore many benefits of using magnetic tips and cables. It is perfect for drivers who frequently need to hop on and off the car, seniors who are having trouble looking for the right cable to charge, busy parents who are helping their children to use devices at home, professionals and gamers using various multiple devices for work and leisure. It is called the no-look charging effortlessly. Top reviews from the United States. Magnetic is the way to go for us. We've been using magnetic cables for a couple of years. The brand we were buying stopped selling, so we switched to this one. Works great. Strong magnets. Carries both power and data.